got the mitt to feet. I got this much for all that hacking. Hi folks, Mark here at Ponderosa Garden Adventures, day 2 of removing the iris. As you recall, yesterday I was hacking away with the axe and the shovel, and I was unable to unearth it. Unfortunately, it's not working the way I wanted to. I was hoping it would just break off. The rhizomes would just break off in chunks, and I could just work my way back. So instead, I'm going to plan B. Got a nice one. Yeah. There's beauty. All right, good progress here on day 2. I managed to get the top trimmed off and dug all the way around. I have a quake underneath. I gotta figure out something to slide under there and just kind of pry it out. We're almost there, but I'm done for the day. Gassed out once again. Thanks for watching Ponderosa Garden Adventures. As always, see you next time. Tune in next time and watch us get the rest of this out.